Hi, in front of me I have KINGWEAR KW10 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set an alarm clock on this device. To set the alarm clock on this device, we need to open the F-Fit app on our phone first, so let's do it. In the app we need to tap on device right here at the bottom, select reminder settings, and here we have alarm reminder. We can tap on it. Now we can add new alarm by tapping on plus button right here in the top right corner, and here we can edit our settings. We can set the hour basically by swiping up and down right here to change the hour, then minutes like this, and below we have repeat. We can tap on it and select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active. So let's select, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then tap determine, and then tap save to save our settings. And as you can see, we have our alarm here, and we can enable it or disable it, oh my bad, by tapping the slider like that. And we can also tap on the alarm itself to edit the settings, or you can tap delete alarm to remove it like this. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.